cage-free, all the hippie eggs. I have organic oats that I do, a cup of oats, and then 2 slices of Famous Dave's bread. Today, because I'm a good husband, I'm adding a couple extra eggs in because my wife is, and then I use this butter, but because my wife is home and I'm gonna make her a couple eggs. She doesn't get into all the oatmeal. So a little butter on the thing, that's it. A couple eggs. So I like to start the pans, get them hot. In my head, honestly, it's like a bacteria thing, like in case there's some bacteria, some weird stuff. I want it cooked off. And I eat eggs every day. You think I would be good at cracking them. I'm not. Try to do like the one hand deal. Whoa. Nah. I don't think I'm gonna be on Top Chef anytime soon. So put the eggs in, hop in here, do some oats. Put the oats in first. Get a little sizzle from the water. Yeah, sounds cool. I think I put a little too much water in it. Mix that up. Yeah, we need a little more oats. Need the carbs, dude. And then the only variety in this is I like jellies. So if you're watching this, you want to send me a gift, I like jelly. So today our options are raspberry preserves or blueberry preserves. And again, this is organic. And then on my oatmeal, I use local honey as well. And then for the eggs, salt it. I salt everything. There's a lie that salt is bad and causes high blood pressure. That's not true. Salt is good, it's vital. You need it. What causes high blood pressure is lots of salt and lots of sugar. Most people don't know that. And but anyway, this is a healthy breakfast. I don't do just egg whites. I used to back in my bodybuilding days. Just being kind of anti-fat. But the reality is this cholesterol, you need this healthy cholesterol. Cholesterol is good for your brain. It's good for your hormone function. And what's interesting when you think of like statin, like cholesterol medication, is so overly prescribed. And it's usually just diet changes are what's needed. And because if you smash your cholesterol levels, although your blood work might show it's good, you open yourself up to hormone issues, cognitive issues. And I think a lot of the stuff we're seeing today in Americans with dementia and Alzheimer's and all this stuff at an alarming rate is obviously sugar related, number one. And putting the toast in. Sugar, number one, but I also think a lot of this suppressing cholesterol is bad. So that's it. Eggs are done. And that's the other part. How long is this? You're watching the whole video. This isn't, we're not speeding this thing up. Well, a couple eggs for my wife, because I'm an awesome husband. Happy wife, happy life. A little rinse of the pan. And also, here's the other part when I'm done. I clean all this stuff up as if I was never here. I like things to be neat and tidy. So here's my little clump of oatmeal. Again, I got this kind of down to a science. I will do this in between calls. I know that this can take me from cook to eat 15 minutes. So if I have 15 minutes in between a call, I can wolf down this hearty breakfast. My wife likes a little extra pepper. So I'll take that to her when I head back to my office, shut the burner off. Next, we got the toast coming up. Oh, there we go. Got behind on the toast. So I'll start putting stuff away. Right here. Put the eggshells. So this is the breakfast I eat every morning. And so it varies. Sometimes if I'm fasting, I will do, I won't eat till noon. So this is essentially my first meal. This is meal one. If I'm in a growth phase, I'll eat this as early as 8 o'clock in the morning, which is really super rare for me. If I eat at 8 in the morning, it's because I got up at like 4:30. But typically speaking, I'll eat this about 10 a.m. 10:30 is usually like the time that I eat. So we got, this is local raw honey. Even has the, if you can see there, it's got the comb inside. I don't know if that's just for looks. I don't know if there's any benefits in it. Looks cool. Sometimes clogs up the hole. But, you know, we'll deal with it. So a little honey, so I'm getting some good natural sugar in there. And then today we're doing raspberry preserves, organic. I love jelly. I don't know, it's a weird thing. I like going to swanky breakfast spots that have like unique jelly of the week, jelly of the month. Oh, and I should join one of those jelly clubs. I don't know why I don't. I've had people pay, and people give me gifts. I've gone to speak at churches, and I felt bad. And people knew that I liked jelly, and all these people, I was out in Oregon, all these people brought me all this jelly. Well, listen, I don't check my bags, and I fly with very limited luggage. And so I'm like, what? I can't fly home with 15 jars of jelly. And I have people ship me jelly, which is awesome. These are just regular HEB jelly, because that's what I have open right now. But I got a whole slew of jelly. So hey, if you're watching, you know, hook your boy up. Send me your favorite jelly. So here it is. Simple. Here's a funny thing too. I eat my breakfast with a spoon. So here it is. Toast, eggs, oatmeal, 3 scrambled eggs. And you're looking, you know, from a protein standpoint, it's right around 35, 40 grams of protein. Carbs, probably about 60, 75 grams of carbs. I try to eat 200 grams of protein a day, and I try to eat 300 grams of carbs, mostly from like healthy carbs like oatmeal. Bread's something I've worked in more in the last couple of years. I just never eat it, but this is the only bread I eat. I don't eat sandwiches anywhere. I don't go out and get subs, and I don't eat bread. Maybe a burger. That's it. And then a couple eggs for my wife. She eats petite. Breakfast, I don't know how long that took, but that's like 5 minutes. Let me see if I think of something to close. Yeah, let me just think. All right, we'll see it. That's it. You get to see the Adam Lamb morning breakfast routine that I do every day. And you know, my sometimes on the weekends, I'll go out to a different breakfast spot, but or if I have a breakfast meeting. But otherwise, this is just daily routine every single day. I actually do it probably a lot faster than this because I'm talking to you on the camera, and whip through this. I'll wolf that thing down in about 4 minutes, and then I just get right back to work. Maybe another time I'll show you my lunch routine, because I eat only 2 different things: steak or beef and rice, like ground beef, or chicken and rice. Same recipe, same thing. 4 ounces of beef, 4 ounces of chicken, 1 cup of rice. And then I eat that when I'm hungry throughout the day. And then dinner is like whatever I want. Thanks for watching.